Want to create production-ready product assets without a complex studio setup? Welcome to PhotoGPT. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the ultimate creative workflow, from a raw prompt to a fully edited, high-resolution, branded masterpiece. Let's start on the dashboard. Click into Image Generation. Here, you have multiple advanced models to choose from, depending on your style. For this luxury watch asset, we'll select the powerful nanobanana model. Select the image quality. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, and set the number of images you'd like to generate. Enter our descriptive prompt, and watch the AI build our base layer in seconds. To perfect our shot, let's head over to AI Image Editing. Under the Retouch tab, simply brush over any minor imperfections to instantly erase them. Need to mix assets? Switch to Combine, where you can upload up to 10 reference images to seamlessly copy styles, subjects, or themes. Next, hit Adjust to instantly apply professional presets like Studio Light or Enhanced Details. Finally, jump into filters to give your asset a stylized edge. Either pick a curated preset like vintage film, or type a custom description to create your own look. Before adding our finishing touches, let's make it print ready. Drop your edited assets straight into the upscaler. This instantly supercharges the resolution, pulling out ultra-sharp metallic textures, micro details, and crystal clear clarity. Now, let's add our branding. Open the Text and Image workspace and pull up your asset. On the right side, you can select your font, input your brand text, and customize your colors. Best of all, you can choose your placement, setting the typography cleanly, in front or dynamically behind the subject for an integrated, high-end commercial feel. Use it any way you like. We can't wait to see what you create next.